Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. You'll want to come back and watch more videos, trust me. If it's not your first time and you've watched other videos of mine and you haven't subscribed, girl, what are you doing? You want to hit the subscribe button? I know you do. Go ahead and do it. Did you do it? Alright, anyways, today I'm going to be decorating my living room. I say decorating because I know I'm not going to be able to finish it in its entirety today because I don't think I have everything that I want for it, but I got the bigger pieces that I think I need. So I guess we'll just start with the bigger pieces. We got our TV mounted the other day by our landlord. He's so nice, so nice. I was so happy he was willing to do it and we didn't have to do it ourselves because, like, if something went wrong, that's on him, not us. Next I can talk about how we got our TV, or not our TV, our table. Our table came from At Home. It was 150 bucks, I want to say. Sorry about my voice. I guess I'm getting sick. That ain't cute, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna claim it. So yeah, the next thing I'll go ahead and talk about is what I'm gonna use as our TV console. And I say that because technically it is a TV console. I got it off of Wayfair. I think it's originally priced at like 70 something, 80 something. I don't know. I'll probably pop it up on the screen somewhere if I can remember. But technically, yes, it is a TV console, but I think it can only hold up to like a 43 inch or something like that. We have a 65 inch in our living room, so clearly one isn't gonna do. I wanted something that was very low and long. The one that I saw that probably would have been like my most ideal TV console was like $700 or $800 and I'm sorry, I'm not about to pay $700-800 for a long black rectangle. Like, my TV not even literally gonna sit on it, like it's on the wall. So no, I had to improvise and I chose to go with these TV consoles that came from Wayfair. Originally they were not black. They come in, I think, like a grayish color and like a tannish color, I want to say, but I got the gray color. But then I turned around and I also got on Amazon this faux wood looking contact paper, and so I contact paper each piece before I put it together individually. There was, I want to say the bottom part is spray painted black, and that's because I ran out of contact paper. So if you decide to do this, I would suggest that you buy 2 rolls of contact paper instead of just one, because that was my mistake. But it worked out pretty good. I think it looks really nice, and I think it's going to look really nice once we set it up and everything. The next big thing I want to talk about is our paintings that I plan on hanging onto the wall. The inspiration that I took it from was Restoration Hardwares, and I think there's this like $4,000 and something dollars. I don't care how rich I get, when I get rich in the future, because I ain't rich right now, but baby, I will never spend $4,000 for a piece of artwork. And I understand that, like, for some people it's collectibles, it makes sense, yada yada yada. If you can do it yourself, do it yourself, because this cost me less than $100 to make both of them. The canvases came from Michael's, and they were buy one get one free. So originally I want to say they were like $69-70 bucks, but because I did the buy one get one free, it averaged out to $35 a piece. Then I bought the spackle, and I bought a huge tub of spackle from Lowe's, and that was like under 20 bucks. And then the black paint came from Target, and I bought the big tube, and that was only like $4. So do the math on that, and yeah, it was under $100 for 2 things of artwork when my inspiration was like $4,000 and some dollars. I think I won. I think those are all of the big items that we're gonna be putting in the living room. So at home again, we got these bigger pillows. They're freaking ginormous, huge, and I like them so much because of the texture on them. I don't know if you can even really see the texture, but it's like I don't know, girl, but it's cute. So I got 2 of them. I honestly think I probably should have gotten 3, so maybe we'll take a trip to At Home. Another thing is this. gonna be used as a vase. Now this, as you can see, the little hole, this is originally a lamp, but I took out the cord, took off the lampshade. I'm gonna figure out a way to cut a hole in the top because I really want this as a vase for in here. I just think it's so nice, and it will look really nice against the fireplace. Mama, I know you watch my videos, so I'm gonna need the second one of these. Speaking of my family though, these vases, this one and this one, came from my granny. Shout out to my granny, thank you. The black one was originally like this, and I think I'm actually going to paint this one black as well, or maybe a cream color. I'm really not sure just yet. I don't know, I'm like indecisive of what I want the color, well, I'm not even gonna say what I want the color scheme to be, just what I want these vases to be. But I spray painted this one black, and I really love it. If they came from Ross, this one was $11.99 and the other one was $12.99, but to me they were $3.99 because my granny gave them to me. Thank you, granny. For the table, I got this tray. I found this at Target for only like $7, I want to say $7 or $8, and I have a can of black spray paint. Clearly I like black. That I think I'm going to spray paint this. If I don't spray paint it black, then it's going to be spray painted a cream color. I'm not really sure yet. I'll just see once everything gets set up, and then I'll go from there. Oh, another big thing that we had got was a basket. We got a basket from at home, and I want to utilize that basket to make like really cute, well not make really cute, but keep blankets in there. That way if anybody's cold in the living room or something like that, like they can just easily get a blanket out there and then, you know, be warm and whatnot. But I want to set it up in a really cute way. So I got that from at home. Again, it was $3.99 for me because my mama bought it for us. And I want to say it was $29.99. Yeah. So now I think this is really the last thing I want to show you. These picture lights, and I think they're bomb. They're like this. Oh snap! I want to break it. There we go. It goes something like this. Child, I don't know. Let me read the directions and I'll figure it out. You get to hang it, you can hang it over your, I'm gonna hang it over the pictures that I made, and it comes with this cute little remote, and the remote, you can do it on 50%, 100%, you can have a timer on it, 15, 30, 60, 120 minutes. I guess unless you change the lightness from a white light to yellow light. I don't know, I think this is gonna create like a whole cute little vibe in the living room, or at least I'm hoping so. That is what I've rambled enough, I've talked enough, so I guess let's go ahead and start trying to put this living room together. makeup.